Manchebo has been a green Roelofs certified hotel already for almost 12 years. And so we started a journey 12 years ago because we care about Aruba, the environment, the beaches, the turtles on the island. And so we've had a whole program in place where we work together with our green team to, from the different departments, see where we can do better. You know? And that's worked really well. We get our staff involved, our guests involved, and you see results in a certain way, like for instance your energy consumption and water consumption and gas consumption goes down. But you also see that there's more, the employees especially, they're taking care better of the resort, but also we want them to bring it back home. No? So we give them a lot of ideas of how they can be also green at home. For Aruba, but also for themselves, to see where they can save money on water, electricity and gas. Electricity is our biggest cost, yeah. So we look to see where ways we can reduce it. This past year we have split units. We changed all of them into inverter units, and I've seen a dramatic drop in electricity usage. So that's a big investment for the hotel, of course, but it's paying back very handsomely. And also we, with each renovation that we do, being at the restaurant, being in the room, we look to see what are the opportunities to right away introduce all the possible latest green technologies to make sure that we stay on the ball. Because that's usually a good moment when you redo something to take a step back and see what's possible these days, from lighting perspective, water saving. For instance, water is another important big bill right after the electricity bill. We collect all the water from the showers. We collect all the dripping water, the water from the air conditioning units that drip. That's a lot of water together. And at night we irrigate, we collect it, we irrigate it for all our gardens. I do that at home too. Yeah? Okay. I have a little drip system, but also all the buckets of water. And in the morning you water all the plants, the pots. So that's a good way to improve. Right now we're doing a whole survey with our guests to see where we can do better. We have actually an intern who started to assist us see what else is out there to make us even a more greener hotel. And the guests appreciate it. And I have known many guests that actually chose an hotel because we are a green certified hotel. Because a lot of guests care about the environment, and they want to make sure that they stay in a hotel that does its best. Yeah.